Hello and welcome to your virtual video walk around. This is the 2018 the Ford Flex. Stock number is 7244. Take notice of the exterior condition of this Flex with only 8,500 miles. That's right, 8,500 miles. No dings, no dents, no scratches. Imperfect video walk around allowing us to show you this Flex up close and personal as opposed to looking at static photos. Does have the power rear opener. It's kind of a tongue tire. Look at all that ample space. Making our way around the driver's side. Warranty protection for life, oil changes for life. You've heard about it. Come experience it at no cost to you. Peace of mind driving. Taking a look at the interior condition. This vehicle absolutely is like brand spanking new. Let somebody else take the depreciation on a vehicle, and you could take advantage of big savings on this Flex right here. We have lots of other Flexes in inventory, but if you're interested in this one or any others, call us, email us, text us. We look forward to answering your questions. Most of all, get ready to save. We look forward to meeting you. Come down and see us in person. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around on this Flex. Scott Tanner saying make it a great day. Take care.